Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to address a common question: how to transfer money from an Amazon gift card to PayPal. With that said, let's dive in. First things first, you actually need to check the balance on your gift card to ensure there are sufficient funds available, right? You can usually do this by visiting the Amazon website or using the Amazon mobile app. So after you've done that and you've ensured or you're certain that you have enough balance to do the transfer, we can move on to the next step. So it's not really easy, or rather possible, to sell or use your gift card on PayPal directly, so we're going to need to use some kind of exchange service. So that said, one of the easiest ways to transfer money from an Amazon gift card to PayPal is by selling the gift card for PayPal balance. So you can do this through various online platforms, like I've said before, or gift card exchange websites. So one of the popular ones in the UK is Cardyard. So Cardyard is a platform that allows you to sell and equally buy gift cards. So you can do that, and the thing is, you actually need to choose a reputable platform, when selling your Amazon gift cards, because you'd be looking for things like fair rates and of course secure transactions. It's advisable to look for reviews, rate and ratings from other users to ensure positive experience. So this is how to do it. You can actually input the balance right here and the quantity, and of course you get the amount of we can select type, gift card, and we can click on continue to do this. So there are tons of alternatives, but like I said earlier, you do need to check your reviews, check for reviews, customer reviews, just to ensure that you're actually on a right platform, because there are a lot of platforms out there that will in the long run want to scam you off your money, and that can be a bit challenging. But outside of that, it's really very simple to do this. All you have to do is come over to the website and input your details, and of course click on continue. But before that, you do need to log in or register an account, especially if you're going to be a regular customer. If you're going to be doing this more often, you can of course sign up for an account on whichever platform you choose. So that said, I'll give you some tips for selling on gift card exchange sites. First thing, you need to compare the rates. So look for the best exchange rates to maximize the value of your gift card. Next, you need to check for reviews, read reviews from other users to gauge the reliability and trustworthiness of the exchange site. Next, you need to verify payment options. So ensure that the exchange sites offer payment methods compatible with PayPal. And that's kind of like the most important thing. And that's one thing, one reason why Cardyard is kind of highly rated, because of how easy it is to, to make your exchange on that platform. But then again, like I said, there are others, and you actually need to check for reviews online. Very important. So first of all, some exchange sites offer the option to withdraw funds directly to PayPal. Simply select the option and of course follow the prompt to complete the transfer. Secondly, if direct transfer to PayPal is not available, you can transfer the funds to your bank account and then add the funds to your PayPal account from your bank. And this is something a lot of people actually do, because PayPal kind of makes it a bit difficult, to get some of these things done. And of course, that's why we have this tutorial. There are a lot of ways to solve this problem, because in the past we've had a lot of issues as to gift cards being declined in the past. And if you go to the support or the PayPal community, you see a lot of posts on this, and that's exactly why selling your gift card via an exchange site and then transferring the funds to PayPal is kind of like the best and easiest way. And this is actually the current update. So if you follow the steps, you will successfully transfer your money from your gift card to your PayPal account using the latest methods and of course updates. So remember to always use caution when selling gift cards online, and of course choose reputable platforms for a secure transaction. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy transfers.